Hey, everyone. Welcome back to MotiverWings YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a topic that many of us struggle with: waking up early. If you want to kickstart your day with energy and productivity, you are in the right place. In this video, I will be sharing some practical tips and strategies to help you become a morning person. I will share some things with you all that will benefit you. I will tell you some points about the benefits of waking up early in the morning, and also about how to go to bed at night to wake up early every day and start your work. So watch the video till the end. It will tell you how to remain energetic. Let's get started. Why is it so important to get up early in the morning? Why do I go to bed early at night? Why can't I wake up early in the morning? Why do I feel like sleeping again after waking up in the morning? Why am I becoming lazy every day? In the end, why? Don't sleep when you are tired, sleep when you are done your work. All millionaires wake up early in the morning because they start their work early. Do you not know the benefits of waking up early? If you know everything, then why don't you wake up early and focus on your work? If you prioritize your work and dedicate yourself to it by waking up early in the morning, you can achieve success quickly. Stay serious about your work because you have to take responsibility for yourself. Build your own life because no one else will build it for you. You have to create your own life. If you want to achieve something in your life, work hard. Success will come only when you work hard. If you want to become a businessman in your life, if you want to become a bodybuilder, if you want to become powerful and rich, you can become whatever you want. Just work hard, and to work hard, wake up early in the morning and start your work. Where you work 8 hours out of 24 hours, start working 16 hours there. And if you want to work hard, start working early in the morning. Certainly waking up early can have numerous benefits for productivity, mental well-being, and overall health. Here are some powerful things to motivate you to wake up early. Early mornings are often quieter and less distracted, providing an optimal environment for focused work. Early mornings offer a peaceful time for self-reflection, helping to set a positive tone for the day. Research suggests that early risers tend to have better physical and mental health. Early morning sunlight helps regulate your body's internal clock and can improve mood and sleep. Enjoy the tranquility before the world wakes up, providing a calm start to your day. Use the early hours to plan and set goals, establishing a clear direction for your day. Early workouts boost metabolism, increase energy levels, and contribute to overall fitness. Start the day with mindfulness or meditation to enhance focus and reduce stress. Early mornings allow time for a nutritious breakfast, fueling your body for the day ahead. Allocate time for personal development activities like reading, learning, or pursuing hobbies. By starting your day calmly, you may better handle stressors that arise later. Early risers often exhibit better time management skills, leading to increased productivity. Witness sunrise and connect with nature, fostering a sense of gratitude and positivity. Waking up early requires discipline, which can spill over into other areas of your life. Establishing a consistent wake-up time helps regulate your sleep schedule, promoting better sleep. Mornings can be a creatively fertile time, as your mind is often more refreshed and open. Use the early hours to engage in educational content, podcasts, or online courses. If you have a morning commute, waking up early allows for a less hectic journey. Establishing a morning routine helps create structure and stability in your life. Waking up early instills a sense of gratitude for the gift of time and a new day. Friends, if you want to wake up early in the morning after getting a good night's sleep and stay energetic in your work, then be sure to follow these points that I am going to tell you. Set a consistent sleep schedule. Setting a consistent sleep schedule involves going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. The goal is to regulate your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, to promote better sleep quality and overall health. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Establishing a calming pre-sleep routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up early. Engage in activities like reading, gentle stretching, or meditation before bedtime to relax your mind and body. Limit exposure to screens before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with the production of the sleep hormone melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Avoid electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime to promote better sleep quality. Place your alarm clock across the room. Physically getting out of bed to turn off your alarm helps you resist the temptation to hit the snooze button. Choose an alarm tone that is gentle but motivating to start your day on a positive note. Hydrate first thing in the morning. Drinking water upon waking helps kickstart your metabolism and rehydrates your body after a night's sleep. Keep a glass or bottle of water by your bedside to make it easy to hydrate as soon as you wake up. Expose yourself to natural light. Natural light helps regulate your body's internal clock and promotes wakefulness. Spend a few minutes outside in the morning sunlight or open your curtains to let natural light into your living space. Have a purposeful morning routine. Knowing you have enjoyable or productive activities planned in the morning can be a motivating factor to get out of bed. Plan activities you enjoy, such as exercise, reading, or creative pursuits, to make waking up early more appealing. Exercise in the morning. Morning exercise boosts energy levels and enhances mood, providing a natural way to wake up and face the day. Start with a brief workout, such as a quick jog, yoga, or a short home workout routine, to invigorate your body. Eat a nutritious breakfast. A balanced breakfast provides the necessary nutrients and energy to fuel your body and brain throughout the day. Plan a healthy and satisfying breakfast the night before to make it easier to motivate yourself to get up and eat. Visualize your goals. Focusing on your goals and the positive aspects of your day can serve as a powerful motivator to get out of bed. Take a few moments each morning to visualize your goals and the successful day ahead, reinforcing a positive mindset. Remember, building a habit of waking up early takes time and consistency. Start by incorporating a few of these suggestions into your routine and gradually add more as you become accustomed to your new waking hours. If you are watching this video till the end, then please comment and tell us which information did you like in the video. Like and subscribe the video to stay connected with MotiverWings YouTube channel.